Hi, my name is Knudsen and I'm Service Manager here at Flexo Wash. I want to introduce you or tell you a little about our recommended spare parts package. For example, in an EasyLoad here, it's very simple for you to change the nozzles, the feeding hose, the chain guides. You can also change the lid sealing yourself. Next to the machine here, I have the spare parts package that I want to show you, where we have put in the normal wear parts that we use on our machines. We have a level sensor for the rinse tank. We have a level sensor for the wash tank. We have also for the chain guide, the nose to pull the slide forward and backwards. We have a sensor for the valves of the return of the liquid. And all of those parts are marked with numbers, so it's easy to reorder. We have some O-rings for the filters that you need to change. We have the safety balls for the slide motor. We have 3 different Teflon sealings for the pipes on the machine. We have here the lid sealing, and at the end here we have the sealing in the valves. This is all spare parts that's very simple and easy to change. Every single machine has a recommended spare parts package that you can go into our web shop and find. Of course, you're always welcome again to call us or write us an email if you want us to come and do it. But this is again parts that I recommend, or we recommend, that you put on stock so you can make a fast, easy repair on your machine.